Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the keep display on while active function on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon next to the email, and in the battery section you can find the keep display on while active option, and just tap to the next square icon, and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.